Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to Paramount Foundation Fatima Farida e-learning platform. I'm your facilitator Amina and I'll be taking you through your creative art lessons for Basic 5. So today's lesson we are going to talk about visual arts, and under that we are going to talk about planning, making and composing. So in that case it means you are going to do something more. We are going to do something practical in this lesson. Okay, so today's lesson we are going to discuss or make something about marbling. We've seen it around. And what is marbling? Marbling is the art of surface design with the use of oil paints. So that means without oil paint you can't do a marble piece. Whether you use acrylics, emulsion paints, it can't be done unless you use what? Oil paint. We have two types of marbling. We have the controlled and uncontrolled. Why do we say it is controlled? Because the pattern that will be created, you can't control it. It comes natural. That's when you work on it. But with the uncontrolled one, you can control the pattern so that you can repeat on the design on several occasions. How do we achieve that? When you mix your oil paint with starch, in that case you are able to control the pattern on the surface of the water to achieve whatever you want. So here is an example. Here is a picture of a marble piece. How does it look? I hope you say it is very nice. Mashallah. Yes. So you notice that from this piece we can see different colors, and let's mention some. We can talk of pink, blue, green, brown, white and so on. So that means that you can't use only one color for your marble piece, but you can use two or more colors. But if you prefer to use only one color, it's your own choice. You can. Here is another picture. Here is another picture. This one is very nice. You notice that, and with that you can choose any colors you want. Any color you can combine them and achieve whatever you want. So as I've already told you, we have the types. So for instance, you want to get this same pattern on several occasions. That's when you use the word the controlled marbling, the type. And in that case, you mix your oil paint with a starch and you get the duplicates of the pattern you want. So let's look at the tools and materials needed when you want to make a marble piece. You need an oil paint. We have one here. These are oil paints. You can see them. And I have about 4 colors. I have, this is blue, this is yellow, this is pink, this is orange. So, you know, we have only 3 main colors, the primary colors, which is red, yellow, and so on. So when you get different colors, try mixing 2 or more colors, and you achieve a nice colors you want. So this is yellow. You might think it's not the yellow we have. So to get this is a tint yellow. When you add more white, you get the lighter parts, and when you add black to it, you get the darker shades of yellow. You need water. I have water here. This is water. Okay, you need A4 sheets. This is my A4 sheets, and I have the offset sheets too. They comes in different colors. You need a bowl. This is mine. Mine is rather a tray. You need one. So you notice that I've already poured my water inside. You need a stick. Yes. I have one around. You need a stick. And you notice that I have something here. I didn't talk about it. This is tapping time. That's what we use to dilute our paint. When the paint is thick, you can't work with it. The moment you drop it in the water, it will settle at the bottom and it won't dilute too. But to get it at the lighter part, you just use your tapping time to dilute your oil paints Without marbling, and maybe you want to paint your house, your room with the oil paint, you still need the tapping time to dilute your oil paint. And one thing you have to notice is, after working, you notice that you'll be dirty, all your hands will be stick with the oil paint, and you can't use water to wash it. So you also need your tapping time to wash off all the paint you have. So we are going to have the practical section, how to make a marble. So we are going to make a marble piece. Okay, so as I've already told you, you need a water. So I've poured water in my tray. This is my water. As you can see, it is just water without paint. Good. So when you get your water, you pour your oil paint on the surface of the water. So you notice that when you pour it there, and you notice it is settling down in the water, it means that it is thick. So in that case, you need to dilute it to get whatever you want. So I'm going to use my tapping time to dilute it. Okay, so I'm trying to dissolve it with the as you dissolve it. Stop. So you stir it to get small patterns on the surface of the water. So let's try using only these three colors. That's, we used pink, we used blue and orange. So let's look at how to pick our paints from the water to the paper. So you gently drop your A4 sheets on the surface of the water, then just tap it small. Don't soak it. Just tap it small. Just tap it small. Because I'm demonstrating, so I'll pick it from here for you to see. But if you are doing it on your own, you pick it from your end. So you gently hold the edges like this, then you drag it and pick it. Do you get it? Have you seen it? Yes, so you notice that we've gotten whatever we want on the surface. So in that case, you put it in the sun to dry. You put it in the sun to dry. So this is how marbling is done. So let's try another one to see. Very nice. So you notice that I used more of the yellow, and you notice that after working and you want to do another one, and you don't want the first colors you used to be part of your work, you have to get the water out and pour a new one. Then you spread your oil paint on the top on the water. Else you use the old water and you add another color to it. You still get samples of the old paints in your new work. So this is the end of our lesson. Inshallah, I hope to see you soon. Our assignment. Let's look at our assignment. So produce a marble piece and send it to me in the comment section. I'll be expecting your work. You can send me a video whilst you doing your work, or possibly take a pictures of your final works and send it to me. Inshallah, hope to see you soon. Love you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bye bye.